everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes. Today in this video we are going to discuss all the deletions made by the CBSE in class 11th Maths syllabus for the session 2020-21. The PDF list is already taking rounds on the internet, which is released by CBSE, but let's see the deletions in detail, topic wise as well as exercise wise as well as the question wise. So precisely you must know which questions are going to be deleted and which are not. So let's see one by one. First of all, let's start with chapter 1, sets. The very first topic deleted is difference of sets. When we say difference of sets, it includes example 18 and 19, which have been given on page 17. So these two examples have been deleted, and question number 9, 10, 11 of exercise 1.4. These questions are also deleted because these are based on the topic difference of sets, which is no longer there in the syllabus. The second topic from the same chapter is complement of a set and properties of complement. This whole topic has been deleted, and correspondingly exercise 1.5 and its examples are no longer in the syllabus. These have been ticked off from the syllabus. Next is chapter 2, relations and functions. The very first topic deleted is the Cartesian product of R cross R cross R. This is the triple product of relations. So now, based on this topic, examples 4 and 5, which are given on page 33, have been deleted, and question 5 of exercise 2.1 is also deleted. The second topic from the same chapter is sum, difference, product and quotient of functions. This is algebra of functions, 4 fundamental operations of algebra of functions. These have been deleted. Correspondingly, the related exercises or examples are examples 16 and 17, which have been given on page 43, and question number 7 of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 2. These have also been deleted because these were based on these. आपको क्लियर पता होना चाहिए कि ये जो टॉपिक्स हैं उनके साथ कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स और कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस डिलीटेड है. Now let's come to chapter 3, trigonometric functions, one of the very main chapters of 11th class. A very heavy topic, you can say a very good topic has been deleted. General solutions of trigonometric equations. That corresponds to theorem 1, 2 and 3. These 3 theorems given on page 75 have been simply deleted, and the related examples, example 20 to 24 given on page 76 and 77 are also deleted, as well as the questions 5 to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all these questions of exercise 3.4 are also deleted. Now we come to question number 1 to 4. In the category of questions 1 to 4 of the same exercise 3.4, it is very clearly given in the question that we have to find out the principal solution as well as the general solution. तो principal solution तो रहेगा syllabus में, it is there, but general solution has been deleted. So in questions 1 to 4, you are not going to find out the general solution. So simply all these have been deleted. Next is chapter principle of mathematical induction. The chapter with which the most of the schools, most of the teachers start their 11th class with is fully deleted. This whole chapter is deleted by CBSE. Now chapter 4, PMI, is no longer in the syllabus for the session 2020-21. This all, the changes, this all deletions have been done due to the COVID-19, coronavirus. So these are the deletions for this particular session. May be possible कि ये सारे जो topics हैं next year ये वापस revive हो जाएं. Next is chapter 5, complex numbers and quadratic equations. The very first topic deleted is polar form of a complex number, another important topic जिसमें से आपका question paper में question हमेशा वहाँ पर appear होता था. The पूरा topic है the polar form of a complex number. Related exercise 5.2 and its examples have been deleted, and the topic of square root of a complex number. It is given in your exercise 5.4. and the corresponding examples have also been deleted. This topic, square root of a complex numbers, was added a few years ago. So it is given in your NCERT book at the back in the supplementary material. ये चैप्टर के साथ नहीं है, ये चैप्टर के एंड में नहीं है, ये बुक के एंड में सप्लीमेंट्री मटेरियल में अवेलेबल है. मीन्स इसको स्पेशली ऐड किया गया था. Now it has been again deleted. So 5.4 exercise and its examples are all deleted. Now we come to chapter 6, linear inequalities. There is no deletion. This is the good news for students because this chapter is really easy and scoring graph का chapter है, and students generally get good marks in this chapter, so there is no deletion, so they can score well in this chapter. Next is chapter 7, permutations and combinations. The derivation of the formulae NPR and NCR. N objects permuted are at a time and n objects combined are at a time. ये दोनों फॉर्मूले की डेरिवेशन डिलीट हुई है, फॉर्मूले डिलीट नहीं हुए, इनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग क्वेश्चंस डिलीट नहीं हुए. ओनली द डेरिवेशन इज डिलीटेड एंड द डेरिवेशंस आर गिवन फॉर NPR it is given on page 141 and for NCR it is given on page 150. So it's a mild deletion, you cannot take it very seriously. You have to still apply the formula for NPR and NCR in the questions. Only then you can do this chapter, permutations and combinations. Next is chapter 8, binomial theorem. You can see the whole chapter is deleted. This is a big you can say change in the syllabus. It's such an important chapter, binomial theorem, which generally provides a 6 marks question in the paper, is no longer in the syllabus. Next is chapter 9, sequences and series. Formulae for the following special sums: sigma k square, sigma k cube. I repeat the formulae for the special sums, special series के जितने formulae हैं, summation k square, summation k cube. The corresponding exercises 9.4 and its examples have been deleted. Now next comes chapter 10, straight lines. In this chapter, 2 topics have been deleted. The very first topic is shifting of origin. Its related exercise is exercise 10.4 and its examples. These have been deleted. And the second topic is equation of family of lines passing through the point of intersection of two lines. This is covered in exercise 10.5. So 10.5 exercise and its examples are also deleted. And both of these exercises and examples are available in the supplementary material. ये सप्लीमेंट्री मटेरियल आपके पास बुक्स में एंड में दिया हुआ है, एनसीईआरटी बुक के एंड में दिया हुआ है. इट वाज एडेड अ फ्यू इयर्स अगो. ये पहले सिलेबस में हुआ करता था, फिर डिलीट हो गया, फिर ऐड किया गया, एंड नाउ वंस अगेन यू कैन सी इट इज अगेन डिलीटेड. सो 10th चैप्टर का जितना सप्लीमेंट्री पोर्शन है दैट हैज बीन डिलीटेड. नेक्स्ट इज चैप्टर 11, कोनिक सेक्शंस. Degenerated case of a conic section as a point, as a line, this has been deleted. But इसके साथ के कोई relevant questions already आपके NCERT book में कोई खास special नहीं है. So it is not a case कि I could tell you कि which questions have been deleted. So competition wise maybe there is a change, but for NCERT it's the same. Next is chapter 12, introduction to three-dimensional geometry. Very small, very scoring chapter, no deletion. So the board has made it child friendly, made it the student friendly syllabus. जो chapter scoring है, interesting है, easy है, and आगे उनके लिए base बनता है क्योंकि 12th में आपकी three-dimensional geometry का पूरा base बनेगा इस chapter से. So no deletion is there in this chapter. Next comes the turn of chapter 13, limits and derivatives, जहाँ से आपका calculus portion start होता है. Obviously this chapter cannot have any deletions, so no deletions, because this is the basic starting of calculus portion. और ये पूरा जो chapter है limits and derivatives, this will be a base for the class 12th calculus. In class 12th calculus you will get differential calculus as well as integral calculus. So until and unless you do this chapter very thoroughly, you cannot have those chapters very clear. So that's why board has not deleted any portion of this chapter. Next is chapter 14, mathematical reasoning. It's a very small and theoretical type of chapter, but this full chapter is deleted. Chapter 15, statistics. The topic deleted is analysis of frequency distributions with equal means but different variance. When we say analysis, आप जब analysis करते हो frequency distributions का तो coefficient of variance का topic आ जाता है. और कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएंस में आपके पास दो तरह के क्वेश्चन हैं, विद इक्वल मीन्स एंड विद डिफरेंट मीन्स। तो इक्वल मीन्स वाले टॉपिक जिनमें इक्वल मीन्स है वो डिलीट हुए हैं, सिर्फ वो। तो पूरा कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएंस नहीं ख़त्म करना आपको, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएंस स्टिल इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बट जो आपके दो क्वेश्चंस हैं, एग्जांपल 13 गिवन ऑन पेज 373 एंड क्वेश्चन 3 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 15.3 with equal means and different variances, उनकी analysis नहीं करनी है आपको. So these two questions have been deleted. And the last chapter is probability. A vague idea has been given by the CBSE for this chapter. The deletion says axiomatic probability. देखा जाए तो पूरा chapter ही axiomatic approach के ऊपर based है. But it's an article given on page 394. So for the time being, we cannot say which particular questions will be deleted. With the passage of time, I think more clarifications will be coming from CBSE, and then we'll be able to write here which actual questions will be deleted or not. So these are the all deletions made by CBSE. Correspondingly, I have tried to give you the whole detail from the NCERT book, examples and all that. I hope you have liked my video, and if you have liked, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.